Alright guys, so right now, I'm gonna show you how I became an admin in Roblox. Okay, so for this to work, you need to have a Mac or a Windows computer. Not an iPad, not an iPhone, it has to be a computer. And you also need to have Roblox Studio installed, which is free to get. So don't worry, I also have a video showing exactly how to download and install Roblox Studio. So make sure to check that out if you don't know how to do it. Anyways, once you have Roblox Studio downloaded, open it up and then go to My Games. Click on My Games again, and then you want to click on Manage up here on the top left. Now when you click on this, you should see something like this. If you don't, just ignore everything I say and watch my video showing exactly how to download and install Roblox Studio, because there is something wrong with your installation. Anyways, after you see this window pop up, what you want to do is type in the name of the game that you want to become an admin on. For me, it's going to be Block Eating Simulator. So I'll type that in and then click Search Games. So I got the game here. Block Eating Simulator. Click on it. And then what you want to do is click on Add Item. So click on Add Item, and then you want to make sure that this first option, Can Admin Command, is checked. And then the second option is Developer. Make sure that's checked too. And then you want to add a name. Doesn't really matter what you put here. But I am just gone. Nah, put my YouTube name, which is OngsyDev. And then for the password, I recommend putting something simple that you won't forget. So I'll just put 123,456, and then I'll click on Add Item. After you do this, you should see this green thing pop up saying, User added successfully. And then what you want to do is click on the three dots here on the top right, and then click on Game Settings. After you do this, another window should pop up, and then you want to scroll down until you see this option here. Require developer products for admin commands. Make sure this is checked, because we don't want anybody else besides us being able to use admin commands in our game. Okay, so at this point, we are done with the actual process of becoming an admin in the game. But I recommend following these next steps, so you can actually use the admin commands in-game. To do this, go back to the Roblox website, log into your account, and then you want to go to Create. Once you're here, you should see something like this. If you don't, you might need to update. You'll probably see Create Experience. Click on that, and then you want to click on Manage My Experiences. Once you're here, you should see all of your games. Find the game that you want to use the admin commands in, and then click on it. Next, click on Development Items, and then you should see this window pop up. If you don't, just click on Add Item, and then you should see this window. Anyways, what you want to do is make sure that this first option, Enabled, is checked, and then you want to make sure that this second option, Local Only, is checked too. And then you want to click on Save. After you do this, you can close out of this window and then go back to Roblox Studio. Once you're in Roblox Studio, click on My Games, and then you want to click on Manage up here on the top left, just like we did earlier. Then you want to find the game that you just gave yourself admin commands on. So for me, it's Block Eating Simulator. And then you want to click on the three dots here on the top right, and then click on Test Game. All right. So now that we're in the game, how do we use the admin commands? Well, all you have to do is go up here to the top left. Click on this icon that looks like a chat, and then you want to type in the command / and then the name of the command. So for example, if I wanted to give somebody else admin commands, I would do /A, then M, and then the name of the person that I wanted to give admin commands to. So let's try this out. I'll do /A, then M, and then I'll do Angsty Block Eating. This will give the person Angsty Block Eating admin commands in the game. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much how to become an admin in Roblox. If this video ended up helping you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.